In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple, cool formula for Konnakol exercises. And this is a special request by one of my students. So Ali, this is for you. Hope you like this. This exercise, I will explain first the formula. Firstly, we start this exercise in 3-bit cycle. 3-bit cycle is counted like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or sometimes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Depends how you want to count it. I count this way, just simply because that's the way I learned it. In this exercise, we will use the syllables Takita, which is a 3. 1, 2, 3, Takita. And we're gonna sing one set of Takitas in 1 per beat, like this: Ta-ki-ta. Okay? Now, the second set of Takitas, and this is very crucial, we're gonna sing in 3/4 of a beat. What does that mean? Basically, think about a dotted 8th note. A dotted 8th note equals 3/16. Okay? So, ta, ki, ta. Yeah? Ta, ki, ta. Ta, 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 ta. This is just dotted 8th note without the syllables. Ta, 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 ta. Okay? With the syllables: ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. But we're gonna sing only just one set of Takita in dotted 8th note. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Okay? Now the next set of Takita is also one set of Takita in 8th note. Notice that because of the dotted 8th note thing before, the 8th note will be displaced. Okay? Check this out. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Okay? The Takita in 8th note is displaced by 1/16. Okay? Again. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Okay? Now, the last part of this formula, to complete the picture: 3 times Takita in 16th note. 16th note. Okay? 4 per beat. So what is Takita in 4 per beat? Takita, 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 ta. Like we learned in one of the basic exercises. Okay? But this will start in a kind of an odd place. So I'll play the whole exercise now. Ta, very slowly. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Takita, 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 ta. Okay? And this is the whole formula. Very short. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. Takita, 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 ta. Okay? So this is one exercise. I would say this is the most basic one. Start off with this one, and when you're ready, practice this exercise. It's the same, exact same formula, but we will use 5-bit cycle. Now, how do we count 5-bit cycles? The most traditional way to count it is like this: clap, gap, wave, wave, gap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The syllables for 5 we will divide in 2 and 3. Ta, ka is a 2, Takita is a 3, together 5, like this: ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. And then in dotted 8th note: ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Okay, so we have ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now the 8th note, exactly like the 3-bit cycle, will again be displaced. 16th note displaced. So, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. Okay, so I did the whole thing with the 3 times taka takita in 16th note. Okay, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. Okay, so again, because this is a formula, you can actually do it in any beat cycle. For instance, I'll give you some more examples. I can reverse the 5 into takita and taka. That's 3 and a 2. How would that be counted? Exactly the same, the opposite way. So ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. So the 3, 1, 2, 3 will be first, and then ta, ka. That's the 2. So ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, 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 ta. Okay, and you can do it in 7, for instance. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, di, mi, 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 ta. Sorry, ta, ki, ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, di, mi, 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 ta. Okay, so you can basically do this in any beat cycle you want. So this is a wonderful, short, cool formula that you can practice. So hope you like this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or email me or whatever, or post some comments, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.